8 earth-shattering reasons collagen may dramatically change how you age, starting today. That might sound like hype, but it's not, because behind those words lies a growing body of real, clinical evidence. Studies conducted in top dermatology journals have confirmed it. Collagen supplements can reduce wrinkles, restore skin elasticity, improve hydration, and even help preserve bone density in women after menopause. These aren't vague claims. They're measurable changes happening beneath the surface of your skin, deep in your joints, and even in the strength of your bones. And yet, most women still have no idea. Why? Because collagen is rarely talked about as what it truly is. It's not just a beauty trend. It's a biological foundation. If your body were a house, collagen would be the beams, the scaffolding, the cement holding it all together. And when that scaffolding starts to break down, as it naturally does after 25, the signs show up everywhere. In this video, you'll learn why collagen may be the missing link in your aging journey, and why now might be the time to take it seriously. What exactly is collagen? Let's start with the basics. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. In fact, it makes up nearly 30% of your total protein composition. But despite how vital it is, most people never think about it until it starts to break down. Think of collagen as your body's internal scaffolding. It's what holds your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your bones resilient. You'll find it everywhere, from your skin and muscles to your blood vessels, tendons, digestive tract, gums, and even your eyes. Without collagen, everything begins to sag, wrinkle, weaken, or creak, inside and out. What makes collagen so strong is its structure. It's made of long chains of amino acids, especially glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, that twist together like braids. These braids form a triple helix pattern that's incredibly durable. In fact, gram for gram, type 1 collagen is stronger than steel. There are at least 28 known types of collagen in the body, but only a few truly matter for aging. Type 1 is the one most associated with youthful skin, strong bones, and tight tendons. Type 2 is found mainly in cartilage, keeping your joints cushioned and smooth. Type 3 works alongside type 1 in the skin and blood vessels, adding structure and elasticity. So when we talk about collagen, we're not just talking about looking better. We're talking about building strength, resilience, and vitality from the inside out. The silent decline, collagen loss after 25. Here's the truth no one tells you when you're young. Your body's collagen production begins to slow down, quietly, gradually, starting around age 25. At first, you don't notice it. A little dryness here, a little stiffness there. But over time, the decline becomes more visible and more personal. By age 40, the slowdown accelerates. By age 50, some studies estimate that you've lost over 30% of your natural collagen. And that number only grows as the years pass. This loss isn't just skin deep. It affects how you feel every single day. You may notice your skin becoming thinner or less elastic. Fine lines deepen. Joints begin to ache. Healing takes longer. Even your digestion or circulation might feel a little off. It's not vanity. It's biology. Collagen isn't just part of your appearance. It's part of your structure. And when that structure weakens, the signs of aging can seem to appear overnight. But here's the hopeful news. The decline may be silent, but it's not irreversible. In a 2019 review published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology, researchers found that oral collagen supplementation significantly improved skin hydration, elasticity, and even dermal collagen density in middle-aged women. This wasn't about creams or magic tricks. It was about restoring what your body naturally lost with science, consistency, and time. Reversing skin aging from the inside out. Most women, when they first notice signs of aging in their skin, turn to the familiar shelf of solutions. Creams, serums, moisturizers, facials. And for a while, they seem to work. The skin feels a bit smoother, maybe a little more hydrated. But what happens when those effects stop lasting? When no cream is rich enough, no serum strong enough. That's when many begin to realize the true transformation doesn't start on the surface. It starts from within. Skin aging is more than dryness and wrinkles. It's structural. As collagen declines, the network of protein fibers beneath the surface begins to break down. This network is what gives skin its lift, its bounce, its firmness. When it weakens, the skin starts to sag, lose elasticity, and form deeper lines. And topical products simply can't rebuild that internal scaffolding. But collagen supplements can. In a landmark 2014 study conducted in Germany, 69 women aged 35 to 55 were given either 2.5 or 5 grams of collagen peptides daily, or a placebo, for 8 weeks. The results were significant. The women who took collagen showed measurable improvements in skin elasticity. And for those in the older half of the group, the effects were even more pronounced. Just 4 weeks into the trial, scientists observed increased hydration levels and reduced skin roughness. These weren't anecdotal comments. They were objective, measurable outcomes confirmed by scientific tools. Then in 2021, a study published in Nutrients followed 72 middle-aged women taking 5 grams of collagen peptides daily for 12 weeks. Not only did participants report smoother skin and reduced wrinkles, especially around the eyes and mouth, but ultrasound imaging also showed thicker dermal layers. That's proof that collagen was actively rebuilding the skin's internal structure. Take Deborah, a 62-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. After menopause, she started to feel like her face no longer reflected the energy she still had inside. Her skin felt papery in the morning. Her makeup settled into lines she didn't remember having. She tried all the topical fixes. Nothing lasted. But after taking hydrolyzed collagen daily for 2 months, things began to shift. She noticed her skin felt more supple, hydrated even before applying moisturizer. Her sister asked if she'd change her skincare routine. In truth, what changed was the inside. Her collagen support had quietly gone to work. Deborah's story is far from rare. Thousands of women over 50 are discovering what science has already confirmed. Collagen, when used consistently and supported with nutrients like vitamin C and zinc, can restore some of what time has taken. It may not erase every wrinkle, but it can help you age with strength, softness, and grace on your own terms. Collagen's role in joint and bone strength. Joint pain is often seen as a natural part of aging. A little stiffness in the knees, a sore back after gardening. For many women, these changes creep in slowly until one day they realize that even everyday movements, walking upstairs, bending down, reaching overhead, aren't as effortless as they used to be. But here's a question worth asking. What if this decline wasn't inevitable? What if the discomfort could be slowed or even reversed with the right support? Collagen plays a vital role in both joint and bone health. In your joints, collagen is a major component of cartilage, the rubbery tissue that cushions your bones and allows them to move smoothly. As collagen levels drop, that cushioning wears down. What's left is friction, inflammation, and pain, symptoms commonly diagnosed as osteoarthritis. And bones? Most people think of bones as rigid and unchanging, but they're actually living, dynamic tissue made largely of collagen and calcium. While calcium gives bones their hardness, collagen provides flexibility and tensile strength. Without enough collagen, bones become brittle and more prone to fracture, even if you're getting plenty of calcium. Science supports this connection. In a 24-week clinical trial published in Current Medical Research and Opinion, 147 athletes with activity-related joint pain were given 10 grams of collagen hydrolysate daily. Compared to those given a placebo, the collagen group reported significant reductions in joint discomfort, especially in the knees. These weren't elderly patients. They were active individuals, showing just how broadly collagen affects joint integrity. Bone health has also been studied. A 12-month trial published in Nutrients tracked postmenopausal women taking 5 grams of collagen peptides daily along with calcium and vitamin D. At the end of the study, those in the collagen group had significantly lower levels of bone turnover markers, meaning bone breakdown had slowed. They also maintained better bone density overall. Then there's Maria, a 66-year-old grandmother from Arizona. She had always loved her morning walks, and afternoons in the garden. But as her knees became more painful and a small fall led to a hairline fracture in her wrist, her confidence faded. Her doctor recommended a bone scan. It showed early signs of osteoporosis. With guidance, Maria started taking a daily collagen supplement paired with vitamin D, calcium, and a gentle strength training. Within a few months, her knee pain eased. A follow-up scan a year later showed measurable improvement in her bone markers. But more importantly, she was back on her feet, planting tomatoes, kneeling in the soil, walking without fear. Collagen isn't just about staying youthful. It's about staying mobile, strong, and independent. For women over 50, that's not a luxury. That's a necessity. Muscle mass and strength in aging. If you've noticed your strength declining as you age, or that it's harder to maintain your weight even when your habits haven't changed, you're not imagining it. After menopause, women naturally lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. It's not just about how your arms or legs look. It affects how you move, your balance, your energy, and even your metabolism. Muscle doesn't just help you stay toned. It's essential for maintaining stability, preventing falls, and keeping your metabolism active. And collagen plays a larger role in muscle health than most people realize. Collagen makes up about 10% of muscle tissue. It provides the structural framework that supports muscle fibers and helps them contract efficiently. As collagen declines, muscles become less elastic and more prone to weakness or injury. A 12-week randomized controlled trial published in the British Journal of Nutrition studied older men with age-related muscle loss. All participants followed a resistance training program, but only one group received 15 grams of collagen peptides daily. The results were clear. The collagen group gained significantly more lean muscle and strength than the placebo group. Although this study was conducted in men, the implications are meaningful for women as well. When combined with light strength training, like resistance bands, yoga, or bodyweight exercises, collagen supplementation may help maintain muscle tone, support mobility, and preserve energy in women over 50. Staying strong isn't just about appearance. It's about independence, confidence, and being able to do the things you love on your own terms. When most people think of collagen, they think of skin, maybe joints, but its benefits extend far beyond what you can see or feel on the surface, into places like your arteries, your hair, and even your fingernails. Let's start with your cardiovascular system. Your arteries are made of layers of connective tissue, and collagen provides both the strength and elasticity they need to function properly. As collagen breaks down, arteries lose flexibility and become stiffer, a change that increases the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Atherosclerosis and Thrombosis investigated the effects of collagen tripeptides in healthy adults. After 6 months of daily supplementation, participants showed reduced arterial stiffness and a modest but significant increase in HDL, the good cholesterol. That means collagen may not only support skin, it could help support your heart, too. Then there's hair and nails, areas where collagen loss is especially visible as we age. Collagen supports the dermis, the layer of skin that holds your hair follicles in place. When that structure weakens, hair thins, dulls, and becomes more prone to breakage. In a small clinical trial, women who took collagen daily for 16 weeks reported noticeable improvements in hair volume, shine, and nail strength. Their nails were less brittle, and their hair looked fuller and healthier, results that countless women have echoed anecdotally. These changes might seem cosmetic, but they're more than that. Healthier hair and nails often signal deeper cellular support and can restore confidence in ways that truly matter. Collagen's influence isn't just skin deep. It reaches into the systems that keep you vibrant, active, and fully yourself. Sleep disturbances and mood swings are two of the most common challenges women face during and after menopause. While collagen isn't often discussed in this context, one of its key amino acids, glycine, has surprising benefits for the brain. Glycine acts as a calming neurotransmitter. Research suggests it may help improve sleep quality, reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, and even support emotional regulation. For women navigating hormonal changes, these effects can be subtle but meaningful. A good night's sleep and a stable mood aren't luxuries. They're essential to feeling like yourself again. Not all collagen is created equal. With collagen's rising popularity, the supplement aisle can feel overwhelming. Powders, capsules, drinks, vegan collagen alternatives, it's easy to assume they all do the same thing. But that assumption couldn't be further from a truth. First, let's clear up a major misconception. By definition, collagen is a structural protein found only in animals. It's abundant in the skin, bones, cartilage, and connective tissues of mammals and fish. Plants do not produce collagen. So if you see something labeled vegan collagen, it's not true collagen. It's a blend of nutrients designed to help your body make more of its own collagen. Helpful, yes, but not the same. The most effective and scientifically supported form is hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen peptides. This type has been enzymatically broken down into smaller amino acid chains that are easier for your body to absorb and use. It's this form that appears in nearly all the major clinical trials, showing improvements in skin elasticity, joint pain, and bone density. For example, a double-blind, placebo-controlled trial published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that women aged 35 to 55 who took collagen peptides for 8 weeks experienced a measurable boost in skin moisture and firmness compared to placebo. Food-based collagen sources like bone broth, fish skin, chicken cartilage, and gelatin can be supportive, especially when prepared properly. But for most people, especially older adults, the amount of usable collagen from food alone isn't enough to create real therapeutic effects. That's where supplements can help, but only when paired with the right cofactors. Vitamin C is essential for your body to convert proline into hydroxyproline, a step that's critical to forming stable collagen. Without it, even the best peptides won't work efficiently. In short, collagen quality matters. Choosing the right type and supporting it with the right nutrients can make all the difference in how you look, move, and feel. Collagen isn't a magic pill, but it may be one of the most underestimated tools in your wellness journey. From skin to joints, bones to muscles, even your mood and energy, collagen plays a foundational role in how you age. The science is real. The stories are compelling. And the transformation? It's available to any woman willing to take small, consistent steps. Choosing the right collagen product, pairing it with vitamin C, drinking water, moving your body. These aren't big, dramatic changes, but together they build something lasting. So whether you're just getting started or already on your journey, remember, aging is inevitable, but how you age is not. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell, and join a growing community of women who are rewriting what aging looks like, with science, strength, and self-respect. You don't need to chase youth. You just need to support your body the way it deserves.